Music. Capital One versus Huntington, which bank is right for you? We'll compare these two to help you decide. Check the description for links to both. Let's start with Capital One. This bank excels at online and mobile banking, perfect for digital-first users. They offer checking, savings, credit cards, and loans. Their 360 Performance Savings account is a standout, offering competitive interest rates. Plus, many Capital One accounts have no monthly fees. Their highly rated app makes managing money easy, but they have limited physical branches. Huntington Bank offers a different approach. They combine digital banking with a large branch network, especially in the Midwest. This makes them a good choice if you like online banking but still want in-person options. Huntington's asterisk-free checking avoids monthly fees and minimum balances. Their 24-hour overdraft grace period can be a lifesaver. Their mobile app is good, though it lacks some of Capital One's reward features. So, if digital banking, savings, and credit cards are your priorities, Capital One is excellent, especially if you don't need a physical branch. But if branch access, overdraft grace periods, and a more personal experience are important, choose Huntington. Learn more using the links below and choose the bank that fits your financial goals.